Hi there, welcome to the channel. I am going to talk about approval process of UGO payment collection using UGO ERP. Throughout this video, there are three important roles that are head cashier, cashier and sub cashier. You may check the video link of their assignment process in description. During this video, we will walk through the three actual scenarios. The first one is how a sub cashier will submit the collection to the cashier of his reporting counter. You can find the link of payment collection process via UGOBuddy in description below. The second one is how the cashier will verify all the transactions, will take action against any transaction if required, and forward it for further process. And the third and the last scenario is how an authorized head cashier concile that collection along with check clearance process. So let's start with the cashier role now. Whenever the sub-cashier reports to its counter with all the collection after syncing out the data on the server, cashier will see all the uploaded data through UGOBuddy app in menu app collection approval. But before going to this menu, cashier must ensure that his counter has been opened. If not, click open counter, confirm, OK. Counter has been opened at this time and 7 p.m. is the estimated closing time of this counter, which was decided at the counter creation time. Go back to the app collection approval menu. Here, all the transactions are grouped by user code of all the sub cashier, and the summary of the collection which is pending to approve will appear here. To check the details of each user, click the user code. After clicking the user code, you can see the list of all transactions done by the sub cashier here. To see the detailed transaction, click the reference ID like I am clicking this one. You will see the details of transaction like account number, payment mode, receipt number, check number, collected by the sub cashier this one, consumer name, amount collected, bank name, check date, collection time, and the location captured at the collection time will appear here on the map. Image uploaded by the sub cashier will appear here. Go back. Now for approval, go back to the list, click approve payment, confirm, OK. Go back to the cashier menu, my counter. All the approved transaction will appear here except already paid. Now, if in case of any wrong transaction, you can delete any transaction by going to the menu delete bill request. Here you can see all the transaction. Select the transaction which you want to delete, like I want to delete this transaction now. Mark this, click delete request, confirm. You can see the success message here. OK. Status changed to deleted. Go back to the counter. Here you can see the status with count of deleted request. Now all the transaction detail along with cash and check will be forwarded to the head cashier. To forward these to the head cashier, cashier must close his counter. So just click this close counter button now. Enter remark. Submit. Now we'll go to the head cashier's login ID. OK. Revenue collection. Head cashier can see all the transactions done in all counter menu. Here all counter will be listed. You can see the status of the counter, closing time, and by clicking this icon you can see the history of the counter 16. Go back. Click the counter name to see all the transactions here with one deleted status. Count here for deletion. Total collection, cash, check. Before approving this counter, deletion request needs to be approved. Go to the delete bill approval menu. Here you can see the deletion request. Select approve. Okay. Go back to the counter. Now it's become 0. Delete approved. Now head cashier can approve this counter by entering the total amount received to him. This amount should match to the total collection today. Enter remark. Approve counter. Okay. Cash collection will be reflected just immediately after the approval. But in case of check, this check will be sent to the bank by going to the menu check, send to the bank. Here you can see these two checks I have uploaded. Select these checks to send to the bank for clearance process. Okay. After getting response from the bank, the head cashier will clear or mark clear or bounce status. Like this check has been cleared from the bank, mark it clear. Okay. And this check has been bounced 140. Remember, bounce. Okay. Go back to the counter now. You will see the status here. Cleared, bounced. Now, you can see these status in consumers detail now. Just copy the account number. Go to the consumer management, consumers list. Payment history. Check has been cleared for today. You can see the update here. This payment has been immediately reflected. Now, go back to the revenue collection. In case of bounced check, copy the account number. Go back to the consumer management. Payment history, bounced. That's all for today. If you have any doubt, confusion, please feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.